don't know if this is right, but I'm doing it. Hey, so we're going on an adventure. My name is Ted. I'm a musician who goes on adventures in my 2019 Subaru Outback. Today we're going to be going to Ithaca, New York. We'll do some hiking and check out some waterfalls while we're there. Ithaca is located on the southern end of Cayuga Lake in the Finger Lakes region of upstate New York. It's a little bit of a college town. There are two major universities in Ithaca, including Cornell University and Ithaca College. I actually went to school in Ithaca College, so it's near and dear to me. The drive to Ithaca is real pretty. It goes along Cayuga Lake for a while, and that's where we're going now, so let's go. Cayuga Lake is one of 11 Finger Lakes in upstate New York that were formed by glaciers over 2 million years ago. The lakes run north to south and are called the Finger Lakes because of their long, skinny shapes. The area is known for its wineries, hiking trails, and many gorges with waterfalls. On the road going towards Ithaca is Taughannock Falls State Park, which I'm at right now. There's a nice little overlook, and I think it's about time to stop, so let's go take a look at that. Taughannock Falls drops 215 feet, which makes it the tallest waterfalls in the northeastern United States. Well, it was pretty nice right now. I wasn't sure exactly how it was going to look because we've had some warm days recently, so I didn't know if the ice was going to be melted, but it's still pretty spectacular right now. Right now I'm on my way out to Buttermilk Falls in Ithaca. It's another state park. I plan on doing some hiking there, and then I also want to check out another one called Ithaca Falls, and maybe if I have time later I might stop in the Commons and get a slice of pizza. But for now, let's go check out Buttermilk Falls. Well, there's a trail that runs right up along the gorge, which is unfortunately closed for the season. That's what I was planning on going on today. There's another one called the Rim Trail. I might try that. My memory is it doesn't offer quite the same views as the Gorge Trail, but it's worth a shot anyways. Not the same trail that I was planning on, but I'll take what I can get, I guess. But yeah, let's check out the Rim Trail. Hey, look, stairs. There's a sign saying that this trail might be icy at spots, which I'm seeing every now and then, which makes this a great hike to test out my new spikes that I got for my shoes. Check these out. Just picked them up a couple days ago. Hopefully they'll help. Not too bad so far. I'm not sure how much is going to come through on camera, but there's a lot of incline on this trail. Definitely got me huffing and puffing a little bit. kind of come over a ridge just now. The incline is kind of tapered off, but it basically runs from the top to the bottom of the hill. Hoping that I can get down into the gorge a little bit more. I can see it from here. Well, I think that's about it for this trail. Got a couple nice views there. It's shaping up to be a nicer day than I was expecting. There's pretty thick cloud cover earlier, but that's given way to some blue skies now. Snow's real pretty with all the sunshine coming through. But yeah, I'm heading back to the car now. I'm gonna head over to Ithaca Falls and check those out, and then we'll go to the Commons, maybe get a slice of pizza. Here we go. All right, well, I'm out at the Ithaca Falls now. I think I'm gonna throw the drone up in the air. Now, it's close enough to the Ithaca airport that it's within controlled airspace, but I actually went ahead and got approval for a 15-minute flight. So I'm good to go. I've actually never been here before, so I'm kind of excited to check this out. How do you get over here? I actually have to go through here? What the heck? Look at this. I don't know if this is right, but I'm doing it. Oh. Icy. Oh. All right, well, that was weird. Anyway, my flight window is opening up, so without further ado, let's throw the drone up. So the Commons is essentially a closed-off pedestrian street in the heart of downtown Ithaca. It's got a lot of neat little shops, restaurants. I'm about to go get a slice of pizza. Let's go. Well, this is more than pizza in Ithaca, New York. I got a slice of buffalo chicken and a slice of barbecue chicken. It's good stuff. After we try the barbecue chicken. A little sweet, a little tangy. Can't go wrong. Alright guys, well that was delicious. I think that's going to do it for this one. But I do want to check out Buttermilk Falls when the gorge trail's open, so maybe I'll have to come back here and make another day out of it. But yeah, hope you guys had fun. I know I did. Like always, thanks for coming along. Until next time, catch you later. Peace.